Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you saw in the title of the video, this week I'm just really following Munchkin around as she goes about her business. I'm even mocking her and doing what she does. There you go. Her social calendar is honestly popping even more than mine, so that's my mom in the front of the Uber. We are taking her to her guitar class because she's taking guitar lessons right now, and I love that for her. So we dropped her off and now we're just walking around the mall. This is La Isla Mall. It's one of the fancier malls here in Merida. I think you've seen it here on my channel before. Mom and I are just kind of walking around and doing some window shopping. There is a lake at the back of the mall. I think it's a man-made lake. I have no idea though. So we're just again walking around the mall waiting for Munchkin to finish her class because it's about an hour and 20 minutes long class. And I just love that she has such diversified things to do here in Merida. She is learning a musical instrument, which I've always wanted her to do. So I'm so happy. So we picked her up, and then this is the next day. Listen to all the things that she says she has to do.
So what's up? What you have this week? I have the guitar class, and then I have the game night, and then I was supposed to have the cooking class, but I'm like, no, I don't want to do that.
That's why?
Because I'm too busy. And then on Tuesday I have the mall meetup, and then on Thursday again I would have our next guitar class, and then
what about the game night Friday?
Yeah, I said that.
Oh.
And then sometime, I think next week, I don't know, the 27th or 26th next week. But then I would have to be watching a movie, so that's too much.
So your schedule is too packed?
These 2 weeks, yeah.
Wow. Huh.
What?
Yeah, she was trying to explain to me why she didn't want to go to this week's cooking class. She's also been taking cooking lessons every week. And she was like, no, Mom, I don't want to go to this week's one because the week is too packed. Like, woe is her, right? So anyway, on this day, we were at Parque Alemán. Some folks meet up here every Wednesday to do, some fitness. So I didn't really go prepared to jog or walk, but you can walk or jog around the perimeter of the skate park here. In the middle, the kids are roller skating. There's a free Zumba class. You can rent those bicycles if you want. And there is a full-on skateboarding park over on the other section as well with some bigger teenage kids. Me just come with my belly. My belly alone may feature right now. So I'm getting some street food in the form of a corn on the cob here, or what you know it as an elote. He's loaded up my corn with crema and now with queso. I don't remember the name of this queso, but then after he's done that, you can put whatever other toppings you want on it. I definitely loaded it up with pepper sauce or picante, salsa picante, and you can add tahini and some whole heap of other sauce and seasonings, and so that he has over on this side here, this table here, you can put whatever else you want. Here I'm showing you that she's making esquites, which is they open up these Tostitos chips, put corn in it, crema and queso again, and then you can add whatever toppings you want in the bag. That sounds interesting. I think I might have to try that one next time. Just right in at the bag, she's just loading it up with the crema and the queso. I thought that was so cool. Anyway, a lot of these activities are thanks to the Merida Teens Club. I'm going to put the link in the description if you have a teenager and you're wanting some activities for them to do. This is Munchkin's Marquesita, by the way. So yeah, the link will be in the description down below. This is us now. We're sitting with our elote and our Marquesita, just kind of chilling and taking in the atmosphere. That's the street food side of the park. And then over here is where I just showed you with all the skating happening. The class is now finished, so people are taking over and just having fun, and I love the parks here for that. Hey guys, welcome to the life of a teen living in Merida, Mexico. That teen, yes. A lot of the times her calendar is more packed than mine. Doing TikTok dances in my video. Yes, she is... We're not missing the bus, it's on the other side of the road. She is actually one of the reasons why I'm still here in Merida, Mexico so long, because she has found a strong community of friends and her social life is just jumping. Like, her dad was so worried because she's still doing homeschooling here, or online school, because I ain't homeschooling nobody. But her social life is thriving. Oh look, they finally rented this place and built out gates. That was quick. Like a whole gate.
They build fast here. It's not like Jamaica Tower. They take a whole month to finish the road.
So anyway, yeah, so today we are going to a mall meetup. She is a member of the Merida Teens Club, so if you have a teenager between the ages of 12 and 17, you can join the Merida Teens Club if you live in Merida. You have to live here for at least 6 months out of the year to join the Merida Teens Club, but you can join some of the events as a friend of Merida. So I will leave the link to their website so that you can go and find out all the details if you have a teen here and you want them to have a budding social life like this one. So we took the bus because that's very affordable, and the Harbor Mall is literally like a few bus stops away from us. So we're at Amarino in Harbor Mall. They do these gelato flowers, which are delicious. And this is where the mall meetup is this time around. You know, they kind of move around from mall to mall. There's not a lot of footage because I didn't want to like take, you know, images of all the teens. But there are plenty of them. Like sometimes it's as much as 24 of them just roaming the mall or at whatever meetups they're doing. So me and the other mamas, the parents, are just kind of hanging out at the mall while they're doing their thing because we are not allowed to be in a part of their meetup. This is after the meetup. I asked these teens specifically if I could put them on the video. They are just being teenagers in the mall, and I love that for them. So you have to stay tuned to the rest of the video because I'm going to show you a little clip from Munchkin's guitar lesson. But yet another day of the week, we made it out to Uxmal Ruins. You have to stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed because that video is actually coming out next. So you heard Marley talking about her games night. So this is footage from the games night. They were doing all kind of things. So I think this is the karaoke section of the games night. I asked her to just send me a tiny little clip where they were playing some kind of trivia and she never get none right. I think she said she only got one right because they put in a one Jamaican question in there about Bob Marley. And of course she had to get it right. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out this other weekly vlog that's on the screen right now. Look at my baby.